Alright guys, welcome back to JC Studios, and today's episode is gonna be super duper sick. You know why? Because we are having this new Insta 360 Go-To. I'm going to review it. So obviously, I actually opened this box already. Yeah, honestly, I just opened it already, but I did put it back properly. So no worries guys, you will sure still experience the unboxing feel except the plastic outside there. Okay, so let's open it. Wow. Look at this. The main character is here. I really like the fact that how they package this camera. Look, this camera just greeted me like this. So nice. And if you guys are wondering, this is magnetic. Why? Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Guess what? We have the chest mount. They call it the magnetic necklace. So let's take it out. How funny. So this magnetic necklace is impossible to remove the camera from this necklace. I mean, like for this kind of natural scenarios. Look, so the camera won't be removed. And let's move on. Okay, so we are greeted with this quick start guide. Wow. So this is called the pivot stand. So one thing about this pivot stand that is very special is this one. This is the reusable sticky material. You can just straight away stick on the table, and yeah, look, so sticky. How to take out? Okay, see, so sticky. And if you guys are wondering how to reuse it, you can just straight away wash it with the normal water, or like just the tap water will do. And we still have the theme here. This is magnetic, so straight away, yeah. So enough with the pivot stand. Right now, the charging case. So this is just like the AirPod case. Like sort of like the AirPod Pro, but a bit bigger. Okay, so you can just straight away, yeah, stick into it already. So it says press to connect. When you connect it, you are just connecting it to this remote control. You can do settings here. You can even record here. You can control your items here. And something special about this charging case is this. Look, it's like a wing. But this wing is very useful. You can treat it as a tripod. I really like this design. Their design is fantastic. It's like so fabulous because they thought of everything is possible. So think bold, as the company says. One more thing. So it connects with the USB Type-C, which came in the box. And one more. This one, you can actually connect it with a selfie stick. Next up is this, the last one. Actually, this is super duper special to me. I really like this design. You can tilt it very easily. And guess what? This is like the clip. Stick on your helmet or your cap or anything that is possible, like this box. Look, it's like very easy. Alright guys, so the first test of this camera is the waterproof, right? Because we are very interested into this waterproof without a casing. It claims that it doesn't need a case. So let's see some clips with this under the water. So the first clip is so cool, right? With the waterproofing function, which I super like it. The footage is so nice. I like the color so much. I use the setting with the default one, 1440 and 50 frame per second, using Pro video mode. So the next up is mountain biking. Yeah. Woo! Travis, red very red I never saw it, I didn't see that. Oh, water splashing. Woo! I want another trip. Rocky. Such a cute one. Whoa, I never see that. Alright guys, so the third test is vlog. So let's look at the third clips, which is the last one. So this is the Insta360 go-to vlog test, and today's the accessory is gonna be this one, the pivot stand, which I can stick it as I mentioned earlier. So let's just stick the camera into this pivot stand. Wow. Say hello to the world. Guess where am I? I'm in Malaysia's Port Dickson. Yep. So let's proceed to the fun part. Alright guys, so right now we are going to play that one, the donut one, and after this donut we are going to play the banana. Alright, so let's drop it in. Wow, wow, whoa! Whoa! Alright guys, so we had come to an end of this review and unboxing. So let's talk about the pros and cons about this camera, what I like about it and what I don't like about it. So what I like about it is super duper portable. I can use it in my normal life easily. It's like not like the GoPro, like this one. Yeah, it's like so big compared to this. So the first advantage is it's super duper portable and easy to carry. So let's not talk about the portability of the GoPro, and this is the winner. And I really like Insta360 put on many effort to design these kind of items, even the accessory. I mean, like, the camera itself is already creative, and they also thought about their accessories, so I really like about this very much. Okay, so the con of this camera will be the storage, the internal storage. Okay, so go-to is too tiny and waterproof, so it won't allow us to slot in a SD card, so the company has no choice but to give us the internal storage. So to me, because we can't expand the storage, is like iPhone, we always struggle about the storage, but the Android users are like, they can expand their storage easily, but not for this, the go-to. So iPhone and go-to is the same. So this one is the 64GB version, which is the largest one, and honestly, I can just take 3 projects at once, and that's all, because 64GB is quite small compared to my GoPro. I use it for the 256 SD card. So the cons of this is it doesn't have the external storage. That's all for today. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys will subscribe. So to the subscribe!